Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have another layout using my homemade kit. This one has to be my favorite one by far. I do have a couple more coming up, but they might roll into July since we're just here at the end of June. But I will have my Kill a Kit video as well coming out. So if you haven't seen that yet, I'll have it linked down below, as well as all of my other videos for this kit, including me putting the kit together. Today I actually expanded outside of my kit. I recently purchased these stickers off of Amazon, and I don't know which collection they're from. I just saw gold glitter stickers for less than $3 and I bought them. And it's really funny because when they came, I actually got 3 sets. So I assume the stickers are packaged in sets of different amounts, so I got a 3-pack. So I have 6 sheets of stickers actually, which is really, really fun. And I'm actually using this background paper, which is from my kit, and that's from the Dear Lizzie Stargazer collection. It's a beautiful light blue floral. This photo of me is from a trip we took to Alexandria Bay, which is up in the Thousand Islands in New York, in case you didn't know. And we were at the castle. I have scrapbooked this topic before, but I decided to just use this picture because it's a good photo of me. And I'm mounting that on some of that tear paper I have, which I think these are used to make teddy bears. I don't know. I wasn't really into teddy bear making, or I wasn't very old in the 90s, but I don't really remember this. But I did get a bunch of this paper from a friend who was getting rid of their crafting supplies, so I decided to use it. And I'm going to make this really cool detailing at the top using those tags, which you see I have pulled out there. I'm actually going to gather some more, so you'll see me use that later on. And of course we got to stick some washi down. This washi is from my stash kit, and it's just a teal blue. And I also pulled out this ruler washi, which is new for my stash, but it really works well on this page. You'll see me keep moving around that title because I just want to make sure it lines up and fits. And now I'm gluing down the other scrap paper layer, and that little white washed wood pattern paper is from Echo Park Summer Dreams, in case you're wondering. I even pulled out a little banner die cut. That is from Project's Life Baby Kit. It's a little girl one. I don't know if they sell it anymore. I got it on clearance a couple months ago, but they might still sell it. So now I have a little bowl in front of me full of die cuts. It's kind of off screen, but it's all the die cuts that I put in this bowl from my kit, including some resin flowers, some flares, some paper clips. There's all sorts of stuff in there, and I'm just trying to gather some things to use on this layout. So I think there's going to be a cluster in the bottom left of that photo, and then I also have the tags in the top section, which you'll see, which help balance out. So there's enough white space in the middle to make it balance out. I pulled out this little heart face, which is from the same Project Life kit. It's one of those mini kits where you get some cards, 4x6 and 3x4, and then you also get die cuts, which is really, really fun. So I'm looking through my kit, my homemade kit, and I found these glitter enamel dots, which are perfect, so I'll be adding those at the end, and those are from the paper studio at Hobby Lobby. I also looked through the Pink Fresh Studio stuff that I included, because I included a ton of my new Pink Fresh Studio stuff since I just got in the grab box at the beginning of June. And if you guys haven't checked out everyone in the How to Kill a Kit with Style lineup, we are going to have a mass video at the end of the month, every month this summer. So at the beginning of every month this summer, you'll see us make our kits, and at the end you'll see what we made with our kits and how much is left. So we'll do Kill a Kits at the end. So if you haven't seen all the Kill a Kit videos, I will have everyone linked down below. Be sure to check out my Kill a Kit video, which features this layout and some previews of other layouts that I have process videos of. I'm not really done with my kit yet. I know we're here at the end of June, but I didn't get enough time to work with it. We just got a apartment. We just toured the apartment, and then we just got the apartment. So we're in the process of figuring out moving situation again, which we just moved already. So it's quite complicated. So I do have all my stuff here still. So we'll see if we move it immediately or if I'll be crafting here when I visit or whatnot. But I do have layouts to show you, and I know a lot of you love Kill a Kit videos. They're a lot faster and you get a lot of inspiration in one video compared to process videos. So we'll be on the lookout for that coming up. And I have a couple tags up here, the polka dot white with gold polka dots and the pink one with the heart that I'm going to cut off are from Michaels. The craft ones with the teal diagonal are from Heidi Swap. And then the light blue patterned ones, so the plaid and then the little triangle pattern, are used my dies that I have, my tag dies. And those papers are from Pretty Little Studio. And then the plain tags, most of them are from Hobby Lobby, but I also have some from Joann's. So if you have any specific questions about anything on this layout, let me know. I'd be happy to help. And now this is where the sun starts to creep in. I know it's a little bit annoying, but I tried to crop out as much as I could without cropping out what I was doing. But the sun does start creeping in. I couldn't find my diffuser anywhere, so I couldn't put it up. So I ended up actually putting a box over there, which helps a lot, but that's not towards the end of the video. So I glued down my title, it's official, and I also glued down this little heart, which I thought was perfect because, like I said, Thankful Heart is the title, and then, you know, there's a heart right next to it. It had to be done, right? So I'm using some freckled fawn enameled dots and stars because the pink matched some of the pinks on the die cuts that I pull out, and I also use some of the gold glitter enamel dots that I mentioned earlier from Paper Studio. And you saw I just glued down a resin flower, so I love to use resin flowers. They're pretty inexpensive, especially if you buy them overseas or if you buy them in Hobby Lobby with a coupon. They do have some in the jewelry section. They're just kind of hard to find, but they are pretty inexpensive when you do it that way. So now I decided I'm going to create a cluster in the top right, but I have a lot of pink so far and I want less pink because I also have that teal color that I need to bring in more of. I really should have used some of these C'est La Vie puffy stickers, but I decided that they weren't really the right style. There is a floral one that says fun, but again, just not the right style. So I actually didn't use many puffy stickers. I did use some of these hearts. These are my favorite hearts. These are from Recollections. I believe it was Valentine's Day that I got them, but I know they have some puffy sticker hearts that are available year-round. And here's where I wrestle with a box for a second because I noticed the sun was coming in really bright and it was hard to see. So I tucked in a couple of those hearts some places, and these stickers do not stick. You do need to put liquid adhesive under them, which is quite annoying. And then here I have a wood veneer camera. That's from Studio Calico that I'm gluing down up there in there. And I thought that went with the craft theme that I brought in, so that's why I brought in that natural wood color again. And it also sort of matches the gold, so you have those neutrals starting to work together to help it out a little bit. I also have these resin pieces from Click Kits. And I pull out one that's a butterfly, and I also have one that's a star, and they're a light blue color. They're not the exact shade of teal, but since they're translucent, it sort of works. And I just put adhesive on the back of those just so they stick firmly. You don't want anything falling off your layout. And so 2 stars and 1 butterfly. I haven't used these at all, so I'm glad I'm starting to use them from this stash kit, which is what's really great about stash kits is you can put unique things in there, like these resin pieces, and it goes with the papers you picked out, so you're more likely to use them. So it's a really, really fun way to try to use those things that you really want to use but can't or don't tend to reach for until you're done with the layout. Like these paper clips, I reach for them every time I'm done with the layout, and then they're always too long to fit on the inside of the layout because it's 12 by 12 already. I thought about doing the tags all with string, but the more I looked at it, the more I hated it. So I think I do want string in the end. I didn't glue them down all the way because I thought I wanted to add string, but this string was just way too thick. I think I'd rather do some sort of like light gold thread, so something really, really thin, but we'll see. So right now, for all you tag lovers that love to put the string in, I don't do string on it yet, but I do plan on probably doing some in the future, so you see me cut it off. I think it's fine without it for now. Next up, I have more puffy stickers. I wanted to develop the cluster over on the left corner a little bit more. And of course, I still have some goodies in my little basket here from my kit, including this little tassel. This tassel is from the baby collection from that Project Life as well. Just a pink tassel, really cute. But that's pretty much it. I do add some of these stickers as well. But if you guys haven't checked out everyone's videos, please do. I have everyone linked down below. If you have any questions, please let me know. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate any new subscribers and my old subscribers, of course. And as you guys know, when I reach 2,000 subscribers, we're going to do a huge giveaway. And since it probably won't happen before my birthday, I'm probably going to do a birthday giveaway as well. So be on the lookout for that. Should be pretty fun. And I'll have it here on my YouTube channel and probably one over on my Instagram as well to celebrate. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!